All right, this is stock number 50596, which is a 31-inch Okamoto model PRG-8DXNC horizontal spindle rotary surface grinder, equipped with a FANUC 21 ITB CNC controller. It has a dresser, electromagnetic chuck. Not shown is the coolant filtration system, mist collector, and balancing system.
Yeah, one wheel balancer came with it, right?
Yep.
So yeah, we'll walk through it. Obviously the front end, table, guards open, pretty much. Sliding guard here. So this was an add-on, I think, that works really nice for a dust collector, a little scoop. I want to pan over for books right away as we go through here. So all the FANUC control books. This another instruction manual, which kind of overlaps those instruction manuals. So we have plenty of documentation here.
Okay.
Coming around here, of course, the whole table assembly's down here. This would be the motor drive, main motor for the table, belt driven to the table. And as long as you're still down low, this is the main lubrication system. The main tank and pump is just for the table. That's for this line coming out here, which is regulated. And this guy down here is strictly for the weight. So that goes up to the metering valves. There's about 8 metering valves for the X and Z axis. They both use the same oil, but 2 different pumps. And of course, this is the X up in here. We don't have the covers off, but ways all look good on here. Coming around the back, X servo is up in here. Down below that, as you move along, it's the spindle drive motor, across the line motor. And the coolant system that comes down through here, and there's the hose hanging from it. So. Main panel, a couple of plugins, coolant, dust collector, whatever it uses here. Main panel is clean, it's in nice shape. FANUC servo for XZ axis down here. The MITS drive is for the table. Up above for the chuck, the electromagnetic chuck control, all of that. And we don't have a program in here right now. There's just a couple of subroutines, but for the sake of the video, we can move some stuff around. In jog, we can work off the buttons. And there's X coming out slowly. Kind of see some numbers moving. I can dial it up a little bit, I guess. Come out a little bit faster. All moves nice and smooth. Same thing with Z, up, down. It's not rapid, of course, but it's a fast feed right here. I can get over on handle, do the same thing, I think. Up and down. It all works nice. And same thing if I call out X for handle, in and out. It's a little bit slower, but you see that it works anyhow. Back to jog. In jog, we have a jog speed for the table, which is the third main ingredient on this machine. Jog speed is at 15 RPM, I think. And that's just moving along there. I do have an MDI, I just programmed a minute ago, I think 50 RPM, and that would be just in jog. The program's already in there, so if I just hit table start, it should pick up that 50 RPM and just run with it. And there it is. So you kind of dial it in MDI, then go over the jog and just hit table start. Like I said, we don't have a program in here. Other than that, the regular stuff up here, single block, dress controls, and rapid override, feed rate override. Chuck is on, the light is out right now. The chuck does work. Chuck won't run without the magnet being on, the electromagnetic chuck. And let's see, that's about it really. So, and we can start and stop that anytime we want. And I said a dial is still everything in jog here, so you still move stuff around and it all works really nice. And that, of course, would reset if you had a program in there. So we've got that, and that's pretty much all there is to show on this one.